Hi, my name is Jessica Delfino. I'm a performer and musician in New York City, and I also teach guitar and ukulele. You can find more information out about that at www.urocknyc.com. That's YOUROCKNYC.com. Okay, so today we're going to talk about recording with a guitar, doing a little sort of a recording sesh. So basically, if you have any kind of modern recording device, you're in good shape. You can also use a tape recorder, any of that kind of stuff. I recorded on tape recorders for years, but more recently I got myself a fancy little iPhone, and this thing's pretty great, I gotta say. It's got this program on here called Voice Recorder, and Voice Recorder is basically, if you have the new phone, it's under Utilities, so you click on Utilities and then bring up Voice Memo. There it is, and it's just a very simple little program that helps you to record guitar. So basically you want to kind of place it close to you because you're using the microphone in the iPhone unless you have a plug-in with a clip-on mic or something like that. And I suggest keeping it pretty close to your guitar and voice if you want to pick those both up relatively evenly. However, you don't have to have it exactly perfect because I do a lot of recording with this. And what this is really great for is if you come up with an idea for a song and you just want to jot it down, work on it later, this is perfect for that. So we're just going to lay down a couple chords here. We're going to do a little jam. And it's really easy. You just press the red button. And it says recording. And that's how you know it's recording. So here we go. Let's rock a little. It's a little folk jam. Country kind of a strum. Okay, we'll finish it off with a G. Okay, so there's our song. We're going to pause. And now on the iPhone you will click this little button to the right, and there's the recording right up at the top.
Recording, and that's how you know it's recording.
That's
so
me,
here we go. Let's rock
blabbing. Here's our recording. Now, what's really handy about this is you can just take this and you can do things like share it, like you can email it to yourself, you can message it to yourself, you can even go in here and give it a name. If you scroll up to custom, you can call it rock, sesh, etc., etc. Now, also on the iPhone, you can get this great program called GarageBand, which is also on a lot of Mac computers. I don't mean to be so Apple-y as a person, but it's really great and it's really easy to use. You can record on anything though, even a tape recorder is fine. Have fun, lots of luck to you, and thanks for watching.